not a bad little view. Up here doing some maintenances day before Thanksgiving. Some old stuff, some new stuff. Not a bad view of Ocean Boulevard right there. Sometimes it sucks being on these roofs, searching for equipment and all that good stuff, but you can't beat the view. Can't beat the view at all. It's pretty chilly this morning. It was about 40. South Carolina chilly, I should say. But it's warmed up to almost 60 now, so it's beautiful, beautiful outside. But yeah, just figured I'd shoot a little video. Wish everybody a safe and happy Thanksgiving. More videos are coming. I just started working with a new company, so just trying to get everything ironed out, routines and all that good stuff, and more videos will be coming, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for all the support. Happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you on the next one.